Hello, welcome to a video with me, the Cat Level. Today I'm going to be showing you my entire collection of my Angry Bird plushies. So yeah, let's get off with the video. So my first board is my original board. And I do have another board, but it's in the Christmas section because it has a Christmas hat on, so it's in the Christmas section. But anyway, I have this football, Ohio State football red board. And I have the movie red board. If you stay up, you just go like that. And I got two of them. I have the space version. And last but not least, the big red board, which is about that big. So yeah. Now for my Chucks. This is my original Chuck. And I have my Ohio State Chuck. And my last but not least, my space Chuck. Now I have the three blue boards. I have my original, which is the knockoff version, and then I have the real version, and my last one is the big version. Next up is my black board collection. Here's my original one, and I think I have the knockoff version of him. And then I have the original. I got the movie version. I got two versions of them. And I have two more. I got the Ohio State version and the space version. That's my blackboard collection. Next up is the my Stellas. I have the movie one, is the first one, and then I have the TV show version and the normal version. Next up is the orange boards. I have my small one and the puffed up version of him. And just to keep this going, I have my two Terrences. I have the original version of Terrence and the space version of Terrence. Last but not least is for my boards, all my one-of-a-kind ones. Like I only have one version of them. So I have only one version of Matilda. I only have one version of the green board. I only have one version of Ice board. And I only have one version of Mighty Eagle. Okay, now for the pigs. So the first one, I only have one version, is the normal pig. And then I have Helmet Pig, which is about to lose his helmet. Then I have two versions of Papa Pig, with his weird, nice, little satisfying mustache. And the other version of him I have is the bigger version of him. And then I have the two king pigs. I have the original version of the king pig. And the movie version of the pig. So, that was my whole collection of Angry Birds. And that will be it. So, thanks for watching. Bye! And also, leave down in the comments if you want me to do any more videos with using these Angry Birds, like a movie or something like that. So, yeah. See ya.